Last week you and your mates had fun riding trails. You had the same plan for this week. But you have flat. At first you might think the air might be evaporated due to lack of riding. So you start pumping it. And the tire blows up. And you think it's good. But it's all gone. You check if it's at the valve, but it's not. It's time to flip your bike, get your tools, and try to remove the rusty nuts that has been there since ages. Just carry the wheel, let the bike be there. We'll be back in a few. As soon as you get in, get out the tire using frustration. When it doesn't work, you think and get your master box out. Now use the levers to get the job done. Now the tube comes out easily. Only if you take out the lock nut.
So you want to make sure you get the most use out of it as possible.
Well, I think let's get still more use out of it. Floor pumps are made for a reason. It's time to bring out the avatar in you. You should have concentration, discipline, and a perfect target. Yeah, I've got it all. At first, air bending. Find and feel the spot where the air's running out from. You found one. Mark it using a chalk. Now the water bending. No, bad idea. Fill up the bucket or a tub real quick like I do. Now dip the tube in to find the beautiful bubbles, which is directly proportional to puncture. Congrats, you found two more. Time for earth bending. Sandpaper, earth, kind of the same. Find a hard surface and start sanding. My knee works well. Well, not. You will end up like me. Now it's good. Sand for decades. Apply the adhesive or the gum, whatever you call it. Peel the skin of the patch. Now spread the adhesive and place the patch at the right spot and press it real good. One down. While starting the second one, make sure you're sanding at the right spot, or else you have to do the water bending again. Well, enjoy the next two. Believe me, it will be easy this time. It's time for rubber bending. Yeah, rubber bending. Before that, you have to find your enemies, the criminals who gave you this time sucking job. In my case, all three were thorns. If you are a real man, put the tire back with bare hands. Yeah, it sucks, but proves you are a real man. Finally done.
Let's go.
No one wants to know your avatar, so remove your ancient suit. Finally, it's time to ride. Heck, the bikes vanished. Robbers do love bikes. Don't leave it outside. At least you have your tools. Be happy. I've got 12 patches now. How much have you got? Do you prefer patches or get a new tube? Let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for patching with me today. Until next time, keep patching.